Greetings from North Point Residential School. Today we had a very important event in the school, that is investiture ceremony. And as we know, the investiture ceremony is something where we, pass on the responsibility to our future leader. And right now we have the leaders of the school who will be taking up the responsibility of minding their juniors, putting them in place, maintaining the decorum. And in this regard, we would like to start interacting with the school head girl, who is Anushka. Anushka has been brilliant throughout. Anushka, first of all, congratulations to you. And I just want to ask you, how does it feel to be a head girl? Because it is quite a big responsibility for you, isn't it?
Yes, sir. So I'm very much honored and delighted to get this badge because it shows that the teachers have trusted me and given me this big opportunity. So I am looking forward to do justice to this.
Thank you, and absolutely the school is also looking forward that you will do justice to the badge that you have received today. And now I'll switch on to the school head boy, that is Shikto. Shikto, it's a big responsibility trusted upon you, and school head boy, it's something, everyone will look up to you, your juniors especially. And how does it feel to be an example for these juniors?
So I feel very proud that the management has chosen me as a school head boy.
Okay.
I will try to do my best to set an example for my juniors.
Okay.
I will try to do everything possible for the betterment of the school.
Wonderful, and that's what we expect from you. And now we move on to the school vice captain, who is also the topper of North Point Residential School, AISSC 2023-24, with whom we had interacted before. It's lovely to speak again. Dipshika, now, assisting Anushka, who is the head girl, how do you see this responsibility?
I'm happy that I got this opportunity to serve the school, juniors and my head girl. I thank the management for choosing me as vice captain.
Right, so you're happy, right?
Yes, I am very content.
Right, and now I'll move on to the vice captain, school vice captain, that is Rajton. Rajton, it's quite a versatility we have seen in you, right? You are not just good in studies, you're good in games as well, you're good in dance as well, everything, it's perfect on you, right? So considering that you have been appointed as school vice captain, so how do you look to inspire your juniors, to be like you or maybe better than you?
I'll try my best to lead them in a right path from my side. The teachers have selected me as the vice captain of the school. They must have seen something in me, the leadership quality in me. So I'll be giving my best and to do my best.
Justice to you, right?
Definitely.
Right. And now I'll just quickly move on to the school games by vice captain. School games captain, that is girls. From girls section we have Bhavna. Bhavna, how does it feel to come up with this new responsibility? How are you planning to inculcate these games, which is very important part of the academics, right? So how are you planning to do this all in with the responsibility that has been trusted upon you?
So right now I'm very contentful and delighted that I have got this opportunity. I'm very thankful to the management and the school that they have given me this opportunity to serve as the games captain for the school. And then I look forward to gain attention from the students to enrich their attention in games, and throughout the session I'll do my best as a games captain.
Thank you so much. And last but not the least, we have a games captain. Games captain, thank you so much for taking your time out. We'd just like to have a sweet interaction with you. And how does it feel? Are you happy?
Yeah, I'm very much happy and delighted that school management has chosen me as the games captain of this session. I'll try my best to make the students more attractive towards the games and extracurricular activity, and I'll also try my best for the betterment of the school in the near future.
Thank you so much, Kishan. That's it for today. We had a short interaction with the games captain, school captains, the leader, and the kind of personality who's going to lead the school forward. Thank you so much, and we'll wish them all the best. And absolutely, the school is expecting a lot from them. We'll keep in touch. We'll give you more updates. Thank you.